When using iCloud to sync messages, some users may encounter the message "Messages in iCloud is currently disabled." Here we will provide effective solutions to fix it. Fix 1. Check network connection. Step 1. Go to Settings, General Reset, reset network settings, enter your device password, and confirm the action. Step 2. After resetting, reconnect to Wi-Fi and check if the issue is resolved. Fix 2. Sign out and sign back into iCloud. Step 1. Go to Settings, your name, sign out. Step 2. Follow the prompts to enter your Apple ID password and turn off Find My iPhone. Step 3. After signing out, sign back into your iCloud account. Step 4. Once logged in successfully, check if the message syncing has returned to normal. Fix 3. Force restart the iPhone. Another solution to resolve the Messages in iCloud is currently disabled issue is to force restart the phone. If the device experiences a temporary malfunction, a force restart can help clear the system cache and restore the device to normal operation. Fix 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Step 1. Go to Settings, your name, password, and security. Step 2. Tap Turn on two-factor authentication and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Step 3. Once the setup is complete, return to iCloud and re-enable the message syncing feature. Fix 5. Update iOS version. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Step 2. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Step 3. After the update is complete, restart your device and test the message syncing feature. Fix 6. Check iCloud storage space. Step 1. Open Settings on your device. Step 2. Tap your Apple ID at the top iCloud to check the storage usage. If storage is low, you can take the following steps. Delete unnecessary backups. Clean up photos or videos. You can first back them up to a computer. Delete app data you no longer need. Consider upgrading your iCloud storage plan for more space.